Hello, this is a daddy longlegs that is hunted. The daddy longlegs can move like this. It moves silently, watching for its prey. As time comes, as the animal buzzes to it, like this bee, it will eat it.
It will eat it?
With the powerful legs that are meant to have the ability. If you mess with them, they will hide and wait for you. As the right time comes, it moves. You see, it's not a part of its plan. Look, it moves like this. It doesn't really make spin or wrecks like other spiders. See, look at it.
That's all you know about it?
Daddy longlegs have the longest legs of any spider.
What else?
The camouflage deep in puzzle and Americas, like where we live. They live deep inside our plants.
That's all? That's all you know?
Yeah. Hey, Cyrus, hi.